Adarsh Vidyalaya Max Online class. Today we are going to see the chapter Relations and Functions. Today's topic Relations. First of all, I recall Cartesian product. For example, the set A is equal to 2, 3, 4. The set B is equal to 3. Then A cross B, that is Cartesian product. A cross B is equal to 2, 3, then 3, 3 and 4, 3. Right. That is Cartesian product of A and B. And subset. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3. Then B is a subset of A because the 3 element A la irukku. So B is a subset of A. But A is not a subset of B because 2 and 4 not in B. So B is a subset of A, but A is not a subset of B. Right. Definition of relations. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, satisfying some specified conditions. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, then we write if as X is related to Y, then X is related to Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to R. The A and B be two non-empty sets. Then first of all A cross B find out pannom. So A cross B 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3. For example, R is equal to then 2, 3. So R is a relation from A to B because 2, 3 is a subset of A cross B. So the 2, 3 element A cross B oda subset ah varudhu. So R is a relation from A to B. In case 2, 3, then 3, 2. So R is not a relation because 3, 2 is not a subset of A cross B. So R is not a subset, not a relation from A to B. Right. Next step. Next one, domain and domain, codomain, range. Right. First of all, domain. Here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then B, the set B is equal to Madhi, Arul and John. Here domain is equal to இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு given relation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதுல domain எப்படி எடுக்கணும்னா A ங்கிறது fully A ங்கிறது domain னு சொல்லுவோம், B ங்கிறது codomain சொல்லுவோம். இது B image, then A pre-image. இங்க ரிலேஷன்ல domain எப்படி எடுக்கணும்னா அந்த ரிலேட்டடா இருக்கக்கூடிய எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் எடுக்கணும், ரிமைனிங் எலிமெண்ட்டை எடுக்க கூடாது. சோ இங்க கண்டிஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. சோ இங்க 1, 2, 3, 4 இந்த 4 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் ரிலேட் ஆயிருக்கு. பட் 5 ங்கிற எலிமெண்ட்க்கு ரிலேஷன் B ல இல்ல. சோ here domain is equal to domain of R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Here range is equal to, that is Madhi, Arul, John. Madhi, Arul, John, that is range. Range is equal to codomain. ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. இன் கேஸ் இங்க ராஜா இருக்கு அப்படினா அந்த ராஜாங்கிற எலிமெண்ட் இல்ல அப்படி சரி ராஜா ரிலேஷன் இல்ல ரிலேஷன் இல்ல அப்படினா மதி அருள் ஜான் மட்டும் தான் வரும். சோ ராஜாங்கிற நேம் எடுத்துக்க கூடாது. ரைட். தட் இஸ் ரேஞ்ச். சோ D is codomain, A is domain. அதுல ரிலேஷன்ஸ்க்கு கண்டிஷன் சொல்லியிருக்கோம். ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் range. ரேஞ்ச்ங்கிறது ஃபுல்லா எடுத்துக்கலாம். ரேஞ்ச் கோடோமைனும் sometimes ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் image. B is image, A is pre-image. இது மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்க. On example 1.4, let A is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8 and B is equal to 1, 7, 10. Which of the following sets are relations from A to B? First subdivision, R1 is equal to 3, 7, 4, 7 and 7, 10 and 8, 1. Second subdivision R2 is equal to 3 comma 1 and 4 comma 12. Third subdivision R3 is equal to 3 comma 7, 4 comma 10, 7 comma 7, 7 comma 8 comma 11, 8 comma 7 and 8 comma 10. First we are finding A cross B, that is Cartesian product. Given A is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 7 comma 8 and B is equal to 1 comma 7 comma 10, then A cross B is equal to then 3 comma 4 comma 7 comma 8 cross B 1 comma 7 comma 10, then 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 7 comma 3 comma 10, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 10, and also 4 comma 1, 4 comma 7 comma 4 comma 10, and also 7 comma 1, 7 comma 7, then 7 comma 10, and 8 comma 1, then 8 comma 7 comma 8 comma 10. That is A cross B. Given R1 is equal to, given R1 is equal to 3 comma 7, then 4 comma 7, then 7 comma 10 and 8 comma 1. Here 3 comma 7 is a 3 comma 7 belongs to A cross B and 4 comma 7 also belongs to A cross B. Then 7 comma 10, first one 3 comma 7 belongs to A cross B. Then 4 comma 7 also 4 comma 7 belongs to A cross B, and also 7 comma 10 also belongs to A cross B, and 8 comma 1 also belongs to A cross B. Therefore R1 is a subset of A cross B. Therefore R1 is a relation from A to B. That's all. Next one, second subdivision. R2 is equal to 3 comma 1 and 4 comma 12. We know the Cartesian product A cross B is equal to 3 comma 1, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 10, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 10, 7 comma 1, 7 comma 7, 7 comma 10, 8 comma 1, 8 comma 7 and 8 comma 10. Here R2 is equal to 3 comma 1 and 4 comma 12. First we have checked the elements in A cross B. So 3 comma 1 is 3 comma 1 belongs to A cross B, right? 3 comma 1 belongs to A cross B, but 4 comma 12 not belongs to A cross B. Then 4 comma 12 not belongs to A cross B. Here R2 is not a relation from A to B. R2 is not a relation from A to B. That's all. Next, third subdivision. R3 is equal to 3 comma 7, then 4 comma 10, then 7 comma 7, then 7 comma 8, then 8 comma 11, 8 comma 7 and 8 comma 10. Here 3 comma 7, 3 comma 7 in A cross B. So 3 comma 7 belongs to A cross B, and comma 4 comma 10 also belongs to A cross B, right? Next 7 comma 7 belongs to A cross B. Then 7 comma 8 not belongs to, like here 7 comma 8 not belongs to A cross B, right? 7 comma 8 not belongs to A cross B. Then 8 comma 11 also not belongs to 8 comma 11 also not belongs to A cross B. Then 8 comma 7, 8, 7 belongs to A cross B. Then 8, 10 also belongs to A cross B. So 7, 8 and 8, 11 not belongs to A cross B. Therefore, R3 is not a relation from A to B. That's all. Next one, example 1.5. The arrow diagram shows a relation between the sets P and Q. Write the relation in first subdivision set folder form, second subdivision roster form, third subdivision find the domain and range. First I recall descriptive form, next one set folder form or rule form, third one roster form. For example, the set of all natural numbers less than 10. The set of all natural numbers less than 10. That is descriptive form. Next one, set folder form. That is rule form. That is set A. Then A is equal to x except x is the natural number less than 10. That is set folder form. Then roster form, that one. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. Because less than 10. So first one descriptive form, second one set folder form or rule form, third one roster form. It is general form. Right. Here the arrow diagram shows a relation between the sets P and Q. Write the relation in set folder form. So in a set folder form, set folder form of R is equal to x comma y. Relation for the x comma y such that then y is equal to find out y is equal to x plus 2 or y is equal to x minus 2 y is equal to x plus 3 but this is perfect choose for example y is equal to x plus 2 x is 5 apply 5 plus 2 7 output that is not a correct relation. Then y is equal to x minus 2. Here the second one y is equal to x minus 2. Here x is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 2. We get 3. That is correct. So and also check one 3 check one y is equal to 6 minus 2. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then 6 related to 4. Then y is equal to 7 minus 2 we get 5. So x comma y such that y is equal to x minus 2 comma x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. That is set folder form or rule form. Here set folder form x comma y format apply pannum. Next one roster form. Roster form general elements but in roster form of R is equal to then 5 comma 3 then 5 comma 3 then 6 comma 4 then and 7 comma 5. That's all. Next one domain of R here 5 comma 6 comma 7. That's all. 5 comma 6 comma 7 because 8 elements are related பண்ணல b so இங்க 5 6 7 that's all. That is domain. Then range of R here 3 4 and 5 3 comma 4 and 5 here codomain is equal to range. That's all. Right. Next one exercise 1.2. Then that is example 1.4 model. So first one let A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 7 and B is equal to 3 comma 0 comma minus 1 comma 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? So in the four subdivisions so now first and third solve பண்றேன். remaining two sums homework நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா complete பண்ணிடுங்க. first one r1 is equal to 2, 1 and 7, 1. Third subdivision r3 is equal to 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. First என்ன செய்யணும், a cross b find out பண்ணனும். So here given a is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 7. b is equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Right. Here a cross b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 cross 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Then 1, 3. Then 1, 0. Then 1, minus 1. Then 1, 7. And also 2, 3. Then 2, 0. Then 2, minus 1. Then 2, 7. And also 3, 3. Then 3, 0. Then 3, minus 1. Then 3, 7. Right. Next 4. Next 7, 3. Then 7, 0. Then 7, minus 1. Then 7, 7. That's all. Here a cross b, n of a cross b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 16 elements. Then first subdivision r1 is equal to 2, 1 and 7, 1. Then 2, 1 not belongs to a cross b, because 2, 1 not belongs to a cross b. Then 7, 1. Then 7, 1 also not belongs to a cross b. Then 2, 1 not belongs to a cross b. So r1 is not a relation from a to b. That's all. Next third subdivision. Then 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1. Right. That is in a cross b. Then 7, 7. 7, 7 also belongs to a cross b. Then 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3 also 1, 3 belongs to a cross b. So r3 is a relation from a to b. That's all. So for second and fourth subdivision homework. So same concept. So complete பண்ணி உங்களோட குரூப்ல ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. That's all. Thank you.